This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Okay, so welcome to the tracking and volume integration guide. So tracking your campaigns lets you identify what works and what doesn't work. It's extremely important, and honestly, it's a part of affiliate marketing that if you join the wrong camp, you're not going to know anything about tracking. Give you hints about what actions you should take, and it can even take some of those actions on your behalf with certain automated features. So in this section, you're going to learn how tracking Zeropark campaigns works and how you can integrate Volume with your Zeropark account. And then we're going to also just glance over a call tracking option called Ringba, which is going to be Volume's call tracking partner. So let's go ahead and dive into this guide and get started with tracking.